In this video, I'm going to share our 9 favorite blogging courses we've taken over the last 5 years that have had a huge impact and ROI on our time and money, and I'm sure they're going to do the same for you. Hey, my name is Kellen. If you're new to the channel, my wife Brittany and I run the personal finance blog, The Savvy Couple, full-time, and over the last few years, we've not only grown it to a full-time income, we've hit the 6-figure club, and recently we hit the 7-figure blogging club. It's actually crazy to think about and say that out loud. We are super blessed. So how are we able to achieve so much success so quickly? Well, we invested in blogging courses. We took courses from people that were already doing what we wanted. They were experts in the field, learned from them, really shortcut our learning curve and put in the hard work to make it happen. So without further ado, here are the best blogging courses with no bullshit or dog shit that you can take as a beginner blogger. All right, so the very first course I highly recommend to beginner bloggers is our very own course, which we made after 3 years of doing it ourselves, is Bloggers Secrets, which is really the framework and system to take your frustrating hobby blog and turn it into a $1,000 per month online business. So with our course, we really took all of those lessons that we learned, those mistakes that we learned, and put them all into one course to give you a framework to really build a good foundation for your blogging business to scale for the rest of your life. So in our course, we really start with our why, because that's such a motivating factor. You need to figure out what your big why is and why you're going to put so much time and effort into something to make sure that it becomes successful. And I have full confidence that you can do that. So we start with that. We go through things like how to create your avatar, monetization strategies, how to drive traffic through SEO and social media, email marketing. We really gave a good foundation for you to grow your blogging business for the long term. The best part of this is we got some of the greatest experts in the blogging industry, which made some of these next courses that I'm going to talk about, to create free trainings in our bonus section for you to see what they're all about and learn from them so you don't have to buy every single course. So that's really where I think you should start, is Blogger Secrets. Obviously, I'm a little biased because it's our course and we created it, but I really do think it's an incredible framework and ground level to start building your blogging business from. And really the big benefit is shortcutting that learning curve to blogging. Instead of making mistakes for a year or 2 years before you start making money, we're trying to get out all the bull crap and say, focus on this. This is what's going to make you gain some traction and start making money. All right, so number 2 is Stupid Simple SEO by our good friend Mike. If you've been in the blogging world for a while or you're just getting started, you've probably heard of SEO. It stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is so important to learn this right at the beginning of your blogging journey so you're not wasting time creating content that's not going to rank in Google and rank for people to see, to drive traffic, to make money from. So before we took Mike's course, we were getting around 2,000 page views a month. We're currently well over 100,000 page views a month through SEO traffic. So clearly it works, which has really helped us scale our business and scale our income. And Mike's course is broken down so well. He's a great educator. He breaks down keyword research, how to do keyword research, how to look at your competitors, how to create purposeful content, how to break down your content so that it's SEO friendly, how to build backlinks, just everything you possibly could need for SEO and driving SEO traffic. This is definitely one of those courses that if you put in the time and effort into it after enrolling in it, you are going to see massive ROI on your traffic, which is going to lead to more income as well. So highly recommend it. And if you're looking to create passive income, why wouldn't you want to focus on evergreen traffic versus social media? That's kind of, you have to put in the work and constantly be pushing your content out to get seen, where search engine is evergreen, SEO passive. Before I move to the next one, Mike does have a free SEO masterclass. I'll link it in the description below along with all the other links that I talk about today. All right, number 3 is Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing. This is really a beginner blogger course that's designed to help you understand how to make money blogging. I think every blogger should start with affiliate marketing, which is basically you partnering with a company, promoting them, earning a commission. It's the easiest way to make money other than display ads, but that you should do later on when your blog's making more traffic. When you're first starting, affiliate marketing is definitely the way to go. And Michelle does a great job of teaching you the legalities of affiliate marketing, how to find programs, how to increase your commissions, how to negotiate higher commissions, how to promote products. It's hard, and it's without having to sell your soul to promote in these products and services. You can promote them very organically through your blog content purposefully by just suggesting them, and she does a great job of doing that. So it's a course I highly recommend. It is all text-based, so if you are slow at reading like me, I have dyslexia. I was very slow at reading. It took me a lot of time to go through the course, but it was well worth it. But if you're more into the visual learning like me with video, it might not be the best course for you, but I still highly recommend it. It was a course that we took very early on in our blogging journey that had a big impact. All right, number 4 is $1 Million Shop by our good friend Sarah. It's all about creating digital products, creating a Shopify shop to sell those digital products. This is really a course that took us from making a few $1,000s a month to well over 10,000 and becoming six-figure bloggers, is figuring out how to maximize our traffic and our email list to create products and services that our audience needs and then sell them in a Shopify shop. Super, super highly recommend this course. Sarah makes millions of dollars a year selling her printables, so she is definitely someone you want to learn from. It's an expensive course, I'll say that up front, but the ROI is definitely there if you put in the time and effort, just like any other course. You know, take the course, go through it, implement as you go, and the sky's the limit when you can really start to monetize your traffic through selling your own digital products. $1 Million Shop is really a great course to learn how to make digital products, how to set up your Shopify shop, and how to promote and sell your products evergreen. If you follow Sarah or know Sarah, you know that she goes all out when she creates things. So this course is a big course, very, very in-depth, lots of detail. It's incredible, honestly. So after taking the course, we started making a few $1,000s a month through selling our digital products, and we're able to scale that to over $30,000 in a single month. I'll show you a screenshot for proof. So if that doesn't tell you how awesome this course is, I don't know what will. Let's move on to the next one. All right, number 5 is Six Figure Blogger by our good friend Alex Nerney. He created a course that helps bloggers really scale up to that six-figure mark by learning email marketing, learning customer journey, learning funnels, and really making your business run as a machine and on autopilot. So highly recommend it. It really helped us get to that six-figure mark. We took it our second year of blogging, I believe, and we quickly got our ROI from the course within a month or two after taking it, just from the email templates that they use, the sequences, the mindset around a six-figure blogger, and making sure we're focusing on the right things with our very precious time. All right, we're about halfway through here. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up. And if you've taken any of these courses or have any other recommended courses, I'd love to hear in the comments below. I'll answer any questions you guys have about any of the courses I talk about. And don't forget, make sure you wait until the end where I talk about the course that took us from 6 figures to 7 figures. All right, number 6 is gonna be Sponsorship Secrets, which again is our own course that we waited until 5 years into blogging to create. It's been our baby for a long time. Sponsorships is really what helped us scale very, very quickly in our second and third year of blogging. And we give a step-by-step system and process to start landing $1,000 to $10,000 sponsorships with your blog. And you don't have to have huge social media followings. We actually focus on evergreen email marketing and content creation versus social media. And we work directly with brands versus using these sponsorship networks that are a complete waste of time. So anyways, awesome course. Our students have had awesome success. We've had students land multiple $1,000 sponsorships. I'll put up a couple screenshots of students and their success stories. Absolutely love creating that course and sharing our secrets and sharing our system for landing sponsorships. And it's really one that the ROI is off the charts. We charge a small fee for our course to enroll in it with what you could possibly earn by just one sponsorship, which we guarantee that you're gonna make. So it's super fun and I'd love to have you in there. I absolutely loved making Sponsorship Secrets. It's something I'm very passionate about and I want you to get started without having to enroll. So I did create a free sponsorship starter guide. You can grab that in the links below with all the other courses. Our number 7 is going to be Course by Number by our good friend Susie. Out of all of the courses I talked about, including mine, I think that she is the best teacher on any course that I've ever taken. She is so good at breaking it down step by step in very simple bite-sized things so that you can implement and actually see results, which all these creators do, including ourselves, but Susie does it at another level. So compliment to you, Susie, if you're seeing this. Her course teaches how to make courses, how to launch courses, and how to make passive income from your courses. So without taking her course, we would have never been able to make our courses and have that impact on other people and make that money through teaching other people things that we already know, skills that we have, and strategies and systems that we have. So thank you, Susie, for that course. Course by Numbers is really awesome if you are an advanced blogger and you're looking to create courses and make that evergreen income. I would definitely check it out. All right, number 8 is going to be Niche Site Academy. So this is if you are a well-advanced blogger, you've understood how to make money with blogging, you're making money blogging, and you want to diversify a little bit. You want to have more than one site to manage, and you want to create a niche site. So most of the time when we're talking about blogging, we're talking about like an authority site, a big, personal finance, travel, beauty, big sites. A niche site would be something very small, like grilling. We have a site in the grilling niche, or gaming, or specific cruise travel, something like that. So niching way down, really focusing on SEO, focusing on a very small niche, serving that niche, and then expanding out. But again, it's going to be, Mike teaches SEO, so it's about finding which niches are really profitable, doing the keyword research, looking at competitors, creating lots of high quality content fast, affiliate marketing, and really allowing Google to rank your site, get that traffic, monetize it, and start making passive income. So we currently have 3 niche sites that average altogether around $1,000 a month passively. And we do have someone that helps manage that and create content for them and keep them updated. So it's a really good course. And we figured out how to learn how to do niche sites through Niche Site Academy. So again, highly recommend that course. All right, last but not least, number 9. Yeah, that's 9. Is Flourish with Facebook ads. This is the course by Monica Louie that took us from 6-figure bloggers to 7-figure bloggers. Definitely an advanced course. Not really for a beginner, that's why I left it for the end here. But this is a course that teaches you, once you have a well-established blog and you have funnels set up and you are selling digital products, you are doing awesome with affiliate marketing, this is like the jet fuel that you can pour onto your business to help scale it. So basically, the course teaches you how to run traffic campaigns for blog posts that are gonna, drive up traffic and drive up affiliate marketing commissions. Teaches you how to do lead conversions. So how to promote your freebies to grow your email list, to send them in the funnel, and then also conversion campaigns. So running ads directly to your digital products or your courses so you can scale. At the end of the day, if you have something that you can put $1 into, $1 budget, you put $1 in, you get $2 back, you would put as much money as possible into that. And that's what this course teaches you, how to run Facebook ads and target people specifically that are your potential customers or audience. So it's an amazing course. Monica's amazing. She has an incredible Facebook group that she goes live in and does coaching, monthly coaching calls in. If you're at that point in your blog that you're ready to pour some jet fuel onto it, it's Flourish with Facebook ads. All right, I'll see you in our next video where I share how to become a successful blogger quickly. Don't forget to check out the freebies and courses that I mentioned throughout the video in the description below. And like always, if you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another one of our blogging videos. See ya!